Hello kids and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn phonics of English alphabets. So let's learn with me and repeat with me. First of all, which letter is this? A. The sound of A is A. A. Which letter is this? B. The sound of B is B. B. C. The sound of C is K. D. The sound of D is D. D. Which letter is this? E. The sound of E is A. A. F. The sound of F is F. F. G. The sound of G is G. G. Which letter is this? H. Which letter is this? H. The sound of H is H. H. Which letter is this? I. The sound of I is E. E. J. The sound of J is J. J. K. The sound of K is K. K. Which letter is this? L. The sound of L is L. L. Which letter is this? M. The sound of M is M. M. N. The sound of N is N. N. O. The sound of O is O. O. Which letter is this? P. The sound of P is P. P. Q. The sound of Q is Q. Q. R. The sound of R is R. R. S. The sound of S is S. S. T. Which letter is this? T. Very good. The sound of T is T. T. U. Which letter is this? U. The sound of U is A. A. V. The sound of V is V. V. W. The sound of W is V. V. X. The sound of X is X. X. Y. The sound of Y is Y. Y. And last but not the least, Z. The sound of Z is Z. Z. Thanks for watching. Hope you learn the phonics of English alphabets.